how to change your channel name on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly change in the name of your channel on YouTube. For that purpose, you're going to make sure that your channel or your Google account has been logged in of the channel that you work on. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto the top right hand side of the channel and click on View Your Channel. Now from here, you're going to click on Customize Channel, which is going to lead you to open up into YouTube Creator Studio. Now from here is where you can basically edit out the information of your channel. You can customize the layout, the branding, as well as the basic information. So the basic information is where we can change our name. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to simply head over to the name section and change in the name and put it down to a name that you want to change it off to. Once again, the changes that you make to your name and your picture are visible only on YouTube and not on other Google services. If you want to change them up onto other Google services, since everything is tied out to one particular email address, you'll have to do that directly from Google and not onto YouTube. From here, you can change your channel name and put it up to, like, this is the one. I changed this up from the previous one to this one, and once I'm done, I'll have to click on publish, which is going to change the settings and the name of my channel. And I also have to keep in mind that I can only change my name twice in 14 days, which means like twice in 2 weeks and no more than that. Now that being said, let's click on publish and view the changes that we've made. As you can see, it has changed my name from the previous one to the new one. And this is how you can change your name on your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel.